Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your password cannot include your name, phone number, or part of your email address. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create your account or you're trying to change your account password, but you're facing the issue that your account or your password cannot include your name, phone number, or your part of your email address, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very fix of this issue is to create a strongest password. So now to do this, you just have to try to follow a simple method. So let's say I'm gonna create a password on a blank page here. So the very first thing I recommend you how to try to enter a letter. So for example, I'm gonna enter any random letter from here. So after that, just go to numbers and you just have to try to enter a number. You can enter two, three, or more digits. You can remember easily. So let's say I'm gonna add some random numbers here. After adding numbers, just go to letters again. And here I recommend you how to try to enter a short name, which name is not included in your Apple ID or your email address. So just use a different name. For example, I'm gonna enter the name here. Once I've entered name, just try to enter a symbol. So for example, I'm gonna enter this symbol here. So after that, you have to check if your password is minimum 8 character long. So in your Apple ID, minimum required of password is 8 characters long. So here you can see I have just created a 9 character long password. So you can use this one for your Apple ID, or you can also try to create a new one of your own to use that password in your Apple ID. And once you have created a password using this format, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.